Good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum students. Can you hear me, beta?
अकेलो बैग
Class 10, can you hear me, beta? I'm not getting your replies. Class 10, can you hear me? Walaikum salam, Fauziya. Okay, she is okay. Walaikum salam, she is okay. Okay, so let's start today's lecture. Uh, okay, Saad Kuram, I think it's Nabil Kuram. Beta, rename yourself. Okay, so let's start today's lecture. Obviously, English literature lecture, you all know this, and it's our lecture number 38, and date is 16th of September 2020. And you all know that this is our ongoing week, as you know that your language journals are with me for checking. I have completed checking of your journals. Inshallah, the students who are coming to school tomorrow, I will return their journals to them tomorrow, inshallah. And the students who will come to school the day after tomorrow, inshallah, I will return their journals on the day other tomorrow, inshallah, because your journals are already checked. Okay, so as you people have started coming to school as well, and you know the lesson that we are doing nowadays, it's a lesson number 13, and name of the lesson is shopping, and half of the lesson we have already completed in our previous class, and half of the lesson we have already completed in our previous class, and remaining half of the lesson we are going to complete it tomorrow in this class, inshallah. And let me tell you, let me remind you, even the students who were present today, I told them the same thing, because the reading and explanation of this lesson will be completed today, inshallah. So the students who are coming tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you have to come to school with prepared lesson. Shopping should be properly and thoroughly prepared. Okay, I can ask you any questions. I can conduct question answer session, any test or any objective, but you have to come to school. You have to be fully prepared about the topic. Okay, so it's lesson number 13, shopping. Okay, page number is 46, and let's start the reading of page number 46. We have completed the lesson when mother and her children got down from the taxi. The first shop that they visited was a meat market. She purchased 1 kg of mutton leg and 1 kg of minced meat. Okay, so let's move forward and start reading page number 46. And okay, uh, please give me a kilo of tomatoes, said mother. Okay, so the last line that we left in our previous class was that okay, after buying mutton from the butcher's shop or the meat market, mother and children have decided to visit now the market of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so while reaching to the market of fruits and vegetables, mother said, please give me a kilo of tomatoes, said mother. Yes, ma'am, anything else? Asked the shopkeeper. Yes, 5 kilos of onions, 2 kilos of potatoes, 1 kilo each of cabbage and cauliflower, turnips, green peas, and 2 kilos of spinach, and 5 kilos of कैरेट ओके कहने को तो ये एक बहुत छोटी सी बात है कि उसने ये चीज़ खरीदी बट यू हैव टू लर्न इट कि how much she has purchased and what she has purchased what she has purchased from the market of fruits and vegetables. Okay, please, it's not a joke because questions can be asked from you people. Okay, in fruits and vegetables market, what she has purchased and how much she has purchased. Okay, so once again I'm explaining you that from fruits and vegetables market, the mother has purchased a kilo of tomatoes, a kilo of tomatoes and 5 kilos of onions, 2 kilos of potatoes, 1 kilo each of cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, green peas, 2 kilos of spinach and 5 kilos of carrots. This is all about the shopping of vegetables because they were in the market of fruits and vegetables now, and what she has purchased from the market of fruits and vegetables, it was about the purchasing of tomatoes, onions, potatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, green peas, spinach and carrots. बेटा ये है तमाम items you have to learn what the mother has purchased from there. You have to learn all these things. What were the vegetables that she has purchased? She has bought from the fruits and vegetables market. Once again, I am repeating that from the fruits and vegetables market, she has purchased onions, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, green peas, spinach, and carrots. These are all the vegetables that mother has bought, that mother has purchased from the vegetables market. Okay, let's move towards the reading and explanation of the next paragraph. Okay, now it is about the shopping of fruits. अच्छा, क्लास 10 ये जैसे जैसे मैं पढ़ती जा रही हूँ और जिस तरीके से आप लोग ये सुनते जा रहे हैं कि वेजिटेबल मार्केट से मदर ने ये खरीदा, फ्रूट्स मार्केट में मदर ने ये खरीदा, you have to learn it because after completing the reading and explanation of this lesson, after completing the reading and explanation of this lesson, I am going to ask you the questions in last few minutes. A question answer session will be conducted and you people are going to give me the answers of my questions. Okay, so please, whatever I'm telling you, whatever I'm explaining, you kindly listen to it very carefully. Even you can maintain your notes as well if you want. Okay, so page number is 47. Previously, we were on page number 46, I guess. Yes, we were on page number 46, and now we are in on page number 47. And how much for the bananas? Asked the mother. 25 rupees for 10, said the fruit seller. 25 rupees. Okay. I just want to make one announcement. Who is this with the name of DC? Who is here with the name of DC? I am going to remove you. Kindly rename yourself. Who is this DC? Whoever the student is, kindly rename yourself. Otherwise, you are going to be removed from the class. You have a few minutes to rename yourself. Hurry up. I hope you have renamed yourself. Let me check. Okay. Okay, so now the mother and children are in fruits market and it's page number 47, and what she is going to buy from the fruit market. First of all, she asked about the price of bananas and the reply of the fruit seller was 25 rupees for 10. You have to learn these prices as well कि क्या चीज कितने रुपए में मिल रही थी. So the fruit seller answered the mother that the price of 10 bananas is 25 रुपीज। जिस तरीके से मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा क्लास में आज भी और कल भी, the group that was present today and the group that was present yesterday, I have asked you what was the discussion between the taxi driver and the mother, and you people have told me that the fare till the market was 25 rupees, but mother said that she will pay only 15 rupees till the traffic sentry। इसी तरीके से आपने ये याद रखना है कि 10 bananas were in the price of 25 rupees. First of all, mother asked about the price of bananas, and fruit seller replied her that the price of 10 bananas is 25 rupees and apples 24 rupees a kilo. So only there is a difference of 1 rupee. The 10 price of 10 bananas was 25 rupees and price of apples, a kilo of apples was 24 rupees. Okay, so why? So what finally mother has decided to purchase? She said, give me 10 bananas and 1 kilo of apples. प्लीज ये अब आपने अपने जहन में रखना है कि व्हाट द मदर हैज डन द शॉपिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स। ये फ्रूट्स में मदर हैज परचेज 10 bananas and a kilo of apples. Ajmal put them in your basket and then we go to the grocers. Okay, then we go to the grocers. Okay, now after doing the shopping of fruits and vegetables, they are going to do the shopping of, you can say, the dry materials or the dry articles which are present in our, you can say, कि हमारे घरों में होते हैं, जिसमें बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, चाहे वो ई टेबल हो या ई टेबल्स के अलावा कुछ ज़रूरी अशिया जो रोज़ाना के इस्तेमाल में आती हैं हमारे, जैसे कि जिसमें सोप हो सकता है, जिसमें सर्फ हो सकता है, जिसमें शैम्पूज हो सकते हैं, जिसमें इसी तरीके की और बहुत सी स्पाइसेस हो सकते हैं. So after completing the shopping of fruits and vegetables, now mother has decided to visit the grocers for the grocery. Okay. Yes, Harim, very good. Grocer's shop contains spices and other necessities like biscuits, soap, sauces. Very good, very good. In grocery items में हमारे पास eatables भी हो सकते हैं, यानी कि the items that we purchase to eat and the necessities of our daily life, जिसमें रोजमर्रा के इस्तेमाल की चीजें भी हो सकती हैं. So after doing the completing the shopping of from the mutton market, from the meat market, mother and children, yes, very good, Fazia. Mother and children move towards the fruits and vegetables market. And what mother has purchased from the vegetables market, there were tomatoes, potatoes, spinach, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, green peas, turnips, and onions. All these items were included in the shopping of vegetables. And what was included in the shopping of fruits? The mother has, first of all, mother has asked about the price of bananas, and the price of 10 bananas was 25 rupees and 10 bananas. And what was the price of apples? The price of apples, 1 kg of apple was 24 rupees. So mother ordered to pack 10 bananas and 1 kilo of apples, and she asked her child Ajmal to pack all these items and put them in the basket. Now they are moving towards the grocers for the grocery, shopping of the grocery. Okay. So now on page number 47, let's reading this next paragraph. Please give me 1 kilo of salt, a quarter of red chilies, a quarter of black pepper and other spices. अब आप लोग ये देखिए कि अब हमारी ग्रोसरी के आइटम्स में, वालेकुम सलाम ज़यान बेटा. Now see, in our grocery item, अब हमारे पास रोजमर्रा की इस्तेमाल की चीजें आ रही हैं. These necessities can be eatables, वो खाने पीने की चीजें भी हो सकती हैं, और खाने पीने के अलावा वो हमारे रोजमर्रा के इस्तेमाल की चीजें भी हो सकती हैं. Now from the grocers what the mother has purchased, she ordered to pack 1 kg of salt, a quarter of red chilies, a quarter of black pepper, and other spices. इसका मतलब ये है कि these spices, in the spices what she has purchased, the item of spices were 1 kilo of salt, a quarter of red chilies, and a quarter of black pepper, and some other spices. So please keep it in your mind that the names of all these spices what she has ordered the shopkeeper to pack for her. Okay, in grocery items, she has purchased 1 kg of salt, a quarter of red chili, and a quarter of black pepper, and some other spices from the grocers. Okay, 2 quarters of soap flakes, 3 bars of washing soap, 4 cakes of toilet soap, a kilo bag of porridge, a jar of honey, 1 bottle each of tomato sauce and vinegar, and 2 packets of biscuits. Acha. Obviously, I have told you again and again that this is the older version of your English book, and there is a great difference between the prices of the items plus the items that the mother has purchased. अगर हम लोग आज की बात करें और हम लोग ग्रॉसरी करने के लिए जाएं तो मैं ये समझती हूँ कि हमारे ट्रॉलीज जो होते हैं, जो ग्रॉसरी ट्रॉलीज होती हैं हमारी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा यू कैन से कि ओवरलोडेड होती हैं, ओवर फ्लडेड होती हैं विद आर ई टेबल्स. हमें बहुत कुछ चाहिए होता है अपने घरों में रखने के लिए, लाइक जंक आइटम्स यू कैन से. हमें बहुत चिप्स चाहिए, बिस्किट्स चाहिए, कुकीज़ चाहिए, सॉसेस चाहिए. इसके अलावा फ्रोजन आइटम्स हम लोग खरीद लेते हैं, लाइक कबाब्स हैं, उसके सैंडविचेस के लिए. लाइक मतलब कि देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द शॉपिंग ऑफ नाउ अ डेज एंड द ओल्ड डेज. पुराने ज़माने में इतनी आप कह सकते हो कि लग्जरीज नहीं हुआ करती थी, लेकिन अब हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लग्जरीज पसंद करने लगे हैं. We used to have lots of items at our homes, even for ourselves and for the guests as well. Okay, so अब आप देखिए कि कितनी सिंपल ग्रोसरी है that the mother has purchased. उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Spices में she has only purchased salt, red chilies, black pepper, and few other spices. And in the on the daily basis, the things which are used for on the daily basis are soap flakes. इसमें आप कह सकते हो कि इसमें ये सर्फ भी कहला सकता है. 3 bars of washing soap. वॉशिंग सोप में आप कह सकते हो कि शायद डिश वॉशिंग के लिए चाहिए, या आप कह सकते हो कि लॉन्ड्री के लिए चाहिए, यानी कि कपड़ों की वॉशिंग के लिए चाहिए. इसके अलावा टॉयलेट सोप्स चाहिए उनको, अ किलो बैग ऑफ पॉरेज, अ जार ऑफ हनी, 1 बॉटल ईच ऑफ टमाटो सॉस एंड विनेगर, एंड 2 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिस्किट्स. तो अगर हम आज की ग्रोसरी को, अपनी ग्रोसरी को, व्हाट वी डू इन डेली लाइफ, हमारी ग्रोसरी आइटम्स अगर देखे जाए तो 2 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिस्किट्स तो हमारे लिए शायद एक आधे घंटे की बात है कि 2 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिस्किट्स आर ओनली फॉर 1 और हाफ आवर. और जबकि हमारे घर में तो बिस्किट्स की इतनी वैरायटीज मौजूद होती हैं, बिस्किट्स प्लस कुकीज, ये सब चीज़ें हम अपने घर में इतना बल्क में रखते हैं, बिकॉज ऑल दीज थिंग्स कम अंडर, जी दानियाल, पॉरेज कहा जाता है दलिए को. ओके, पॉरेज आप डेली बेसिस पर यूज करते हो बेटा. ये रेडी टू कुक पॉरेजेस अवेलेबल होते हैं मार्केट में डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स के. इसमें आपको इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स में मिलेंगी और अपनी लोकल ब्रांड्स में मिलेंगी. जैसे हमारी अगर लोकल ब्रांड है पॉरेज की, फौजी. फौजी इज़ वेरी कॉमन जो है वो ब्रांड है, पाकिस्तानी ब्रांड है पॉरेज के लिए. अगर आप इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स की बात करें तो आपको क्वेकर का पॉरेज मिलेगा, आपको कैलोगीज की मिलेंगे. जी बिल्कुल फौजिया, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं. So these Quakers and Kellogg's, these are all the international brands. But if you talk about our local brand, Fauji is very common brand for the oats. Yes, बिल्कुल आप इसको दलिया कहते हैं. तो अब आप देखें कि ये कितना सिंपल है कि उन्होंने बिस्किट्स के 2 पैक्स खरीदे, टोमेटो सॉस खरीदा, विनेगर खरीदा, हनी खरीदा और पॉरेज. अब हम लोग अगर अपने ब्रेकफास्ट की बात करें तो हमारे डाइनिंग टेबल पर ब्रेकफास्ट के ही इतने यानी कि ऑप्शंस मौजूद होते हैं. इतने तरह के आपको कॉर्नफ्लेक्स मिलेंगे, आपको पॉरेज मिलेगा, आपको सैंडविचेस मिलेंगे, आपको सॉसेजेस मिलेंगे, आपको रेडी टू कुक आइटम्स मिलेंगे, आपको एग्स इतने फॉर्म्स में मिलेंगे. इवन नाउ अ डेज फ्रोजन पराठास आर अवेलेबल इन मार्केट्स. तो हमने अपनी लाइफ को बहुत ज़्यादा लग्जरियस बना लिया और उसी लग्जरी को फुलफिल करने के लिए वी आर बाउंड टू परचेज लॉट्स ऑफ आइटम्स फॉर us to eat. Even they are for the guests or for us, it doesn't matter at all. There is a great difference between the shopping of our old days and modern days. ठीक है, अच्छा, अब आपने ये सब चीजें अपने जहन में रखनी है कि फ्रूट से क्या, फ्रूट्स की आइटम्स में व्हाट द मदर हैज परचेज्ड एंड वेजिटेबल्स की मार्केट में व्हाट द मदर हैज परचेज्ड. नाउ व्हेन शी केम टू द ग्रोसर्स, व्हाट वर द ग्रोसरी आइटम्स शी हैज परचेज्ड, जिसमें कुछ स्पाइसेस थे, इसके अलावा वॉशिंग सोप था, टॉयलेट सोप था, हनी था, पॉरिज था, विनेगर था, टमाटो सॉस था एंड पैकेट ऑफ बिस्किट्स वर इंक्लूडेड. अच्छा, लेट्स रीड फॉरवर्ड. The shopkeeper weighed and wrapped all the items in a large paper bag. और अच्छा, अब ये भी आप लोगों ने अपने जहन में रखना है कि प्लास्टिक बैग्स were not being used. Paper bags were being used at that time. अच्छा, now the shopkeeper weighed and wrapped all the items in a large paper bag. Mother told the children that nowadays, instead of polythene bags, the paper bags are being used all over the world. Polythene bags block the sewerage pipes when the drains are choked. Choke means that when something stuck into these drain pipes or when something overfilled, कोई चीज इनमें फंस जाती है या ओवरफिल हो जाती है, दिस इज कॉल्ड चोक. एंड मदर हैज आल्सो एक्सप्लेन्ड द चिल्ड्रन कि व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग पेपर बैग्स इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग्स. She has given the reason to the children of using the paper bags. She said that nowadays all over the world we are only using paper bags, and the reason of not using the polythene bags is that polythene bags block the sewerage pipes. When the drains are choked, the dirty water spills all over. अच्छा, ये बात तो बहुत कॉमन है हमारे यहाँ. तो अब आप देखिए कि एक पिछले दिनों एक कैंपेन स्टार्ट हुई थी. कैंपेन में ये था कि nobody is allowed to use polythene bags instead of using they are now bound to use paper bags. और बल्कि आप ये भी देखिए कि बाकायदा तौर पे चेकिंग टीम्स पर allotted to go to visit the shops कि either the shopkeepers are using paper bags or polythene bags. और एक कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट हो गया था कि पॉलीथीन बैग्स की जगह प्लास्टिक बैग सॉरी पेपर बैग वर बीइंग यूज्ड. फिर उसके बाद लैक ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड लैक ऑफ यू कैन से rules and laws, again everybody has started using those polythene bags. हम दोबारा से उन प्लास्टिक बैग्स पर वापस आ गए. अच्छा, what was the reason of using polythene paper bags instead? What was the reason of using paper bags instead of using polythene bags? Because polythene bags block the sewerage pipes. Okay, these polythene bags block the sewerage pipe, and when these pipes are choked, the dirty water spills all over. आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि why were the paper bags being used instead of polythene bags? So the answer of this question is polythene bags block the sewerage pipes. When the drains are choked, the dirty water spills all over. That is why paper bags were being used. Okay, now we are on page number 48. One last thing before we go home, said mother, stopping before a poultry shop. अच्छा, अब आप लोगों ने याद रखना है कि what was the sequence of the shopping? The sequence started from the mutton market, the meat market. Okay, जहाँ से the first thing mother purchased was 1 kilo of leg and 1 kilo of minced meat. After completing the shopping of mutton, she moved towards the fruits and vegetables market, from where she purchased 10 bananas, 1 kilo of apples, and onions, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, green peas, onions, all potatoes and tomatoes. All these items she purchased from the fruits and vegetables market. After completing the shopping of fruits and vegetables, mother and children moved towards the grocers. from grocers. They have bought some spices like black pepper, chili flakes, salt, and few other spices, and then they purchased porridge, honey, vinegar, tomato sauce, 2 packets of biscuits, and all these things. Now the last thing, what was the last thing they wanted to buy was they stood in front of the poultry shop. Poultry shop का मतलब ये है मुर्गी की दुकान, जहाँ से आपको मुर्गी भी मिल जाती है और eggs भी मिल जाते हैं. All the items of poultry are available on that poultry shop. So the last stop of the mother and children was the poultry shop. Okay. Now, how much for the eggs? 30 rupees for a dozen. Acha. The shopkeeper replied that 8 dozen eggs की जो price थी, that was 30 rupees for a dozen. How many, madam? 2 dozen. अब आपने ये भी याद रखना है कि 1 दर्जन eggs की price क्या थी और mother ने कितने eggs pack करने का order दिया था. So the price of 1 dozen egg was 30 rupees, and mother ordered to pack 2 dozens of eggs. Here you are, said the shopkeeper. Do you have chicken? Inquired mother. Live or dressed? अच्छा, live का मतलब ये है जिंदा मुर्गी. आप लोगों को अगर एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है कभी पोल्ट्री शॉप पे जाके चिकन खरीदने का, तो वहाँ पे 2 तरह का चिकन इज अवेलेबल. वन इज लाइव एंड सेकेंड वन इज ड्रेस्ड. लाइव से मुराद ये है जिंदा मुर्गी जो आप अपने सामने कटवाते हैं और फिर उसका मीट बनवाते हैं. एंड सेकेंड वन इज ड्रेस्ड, जो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास सिबा हुई भी रखी हुई होती है उन लोगों के पास, और आप उसी को जाके जितना आपको लेना होता है वो आप परचेज कर लेते हो. बहुत से लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि उनको जिंदा मुर्गी चाहिए, लाइव चिकन जो वो अपने सामने करवाते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग इज मेनी पीपल prefer to purchase dressed chicken which is already prepared in the shop, और आप उसको डायरेक्ट जाके परचेज कर लेते हो. अच्छा, live or dressed? Dressed. How much for a kilo? 90 rupees. अब आपने याद रखना है कि mother has purchased dressed chicken and she purchased a kilo of chicken, and price of a kilo of chicken was 90 rupees. Is it fresh? Yes, madam. We keep it in freezer. Give me a 1 kilo, please. That will do for today, said mother, coming out of the market. Let's go home now. I enjoyed shopping, said Ajmal, entering the house. Next Sunday we shall go again. Obviously, as you know that it was the very first experience of the children for shopping, because before this their father used to go for the shopping, but this time father was not available. He was busy in some of his office work. That is why mother asked her both the children to go with her for the shopping. So the last item they purchased a kilo of dressed chicken, and price of that kilo of chicken was 90 rupees, and they both enjoyed the shopping. Next Sunday we shall go again. No, next Sunday, next month. It's 11 o'clock, children. Let's get busy. Ajmal, you polish your own and Najma shoes. Najma, you iron the clothes while I go to the kitchen and start cooking. अब आप ये देखिए कि ये इतनी पुरानी बात है कि 11 बजे वो लोग अपनी ग्रोसरी कंप्लीट करके, शॉपिंग कंप्लीट करके अपने घरों में वापस आ चुके थे अपनी डेली रूटीन को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए. और हमारे यहाँ 11 बजे सुबह ही नहीं होती है. अक्सर लोग 11 बजे तक सो रहे होते हैं. हम लोग 11 बजे के बाद कहीं जाकर उठते हैं और फिर हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं और अपनी रूटीन की काम करते हैं. तो कहने का मकसद ये कि ये बहुत ओल्ड बुक है, इतनी ओल्ड बुक है कि आप उनकी रूटीन से अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि 11 बजे they were done with the shopping of their grocery and they came back to home. और हम लोग अगर आज की बात करें तो 11 बजे तो हमारी सुबह शुरू हो रही होती है, ब्रेकफास्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है और बाकी बातें बाद की हैं. ठीक है. Yes, Zayan, I am not talking specifically about you, beta. I am talking in general. In most of the houses, in most of the families, people are late risers on Sundays. Okay? ठीक है. अच्छा, this is all about This is all about the reading and explanation of this lesson. Okay, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn, and you people are going to participate in this discussion, beta. Okay, where did mother go after making purchases at the butcher's? Hurry up. जल्दी से मुझे जवाब चाहिए. Where did mother go after making purchases at the butcher's? Yes, Amar, very good. After making the purchase of butcher's market, she went to the fruits and vegetable market. Very good, everybody. Okay, how did mother buy bananas and apples? Who will answer me? How did mother buy bananas and apples? Very good. 10 bananas and 1 kilo apples. Okay. Now, who is going to give me the price of 10 bananas? What was the price of 10 bananas? Very good. The price of 10 bananas was 25 rupees. And what was the price of apples? Nabil, you have given the right answer. The 1 kg for apple was 24 rupees. Fabiha beta, correct yourself. 10 bananas were in the price of 25 rupees and 1 kg of apples were in the price of 24 rupees. Okay. I have a question जो कि यहाँ मैंने include नहीं किया, मैं आपसे खुद पूछ रही हूँ. What were the vegetables that mother bought from the vegetable market? Can you please give me the names of few vegetables that she has purchased from the vegetable market? Arya? Okay, Hari, let me check. Maybe I am wrong. Harim, you can see this slide, beta. Bananas were in 25 rupees. Okay, I hope you have seen. Yes, very good. The vegetables were onions, tomatoes, potatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, green peas, and spinach and carrots. Okay, very good. Okay, now what did mother buy last of all? What did mother buy last of all? Very good, Amna. Mother bought eggs and chicken last of all. Okay, now who is going to tell me the quantity and price of chicken that she purchased, that mother purchased? Yes, the price of 1 kg chicken was 90 rupees and she bought 1 kg of chicken. Was it live or dressed? Mother purchased live chicken or dressed? Yes, she purchased dressed chicken. And how much of eggs she bought? Eggs she bought 2 dozen. Okay. Okay. She bought 2 dozen eggs and price of 1 dozen of egg was 30 rupees. Yes, very good, Amar. The price of 1 dozen of eggs was 30 rupees. Okay. Now, how far is the market from the house of Najma and Ajmal? How far is the market from the house of Najma and Ajmal? Yes, very good. It was 2 kilometers far away from their house. The market was 2 kilometers far away from Najma and Ajmal's house. Okay. What did mother ask the children to do when they reached back home? Very good. She asked Najma to iron both of their uniform and clothes, sorry, and either it was uniform or clothes, okay. And mother asked Ajmal to polish both of their Najma's and his own shoes. Okay, very good. Okay, now we have reference to the context. Next Sunday, we shall go again. Who is the speaker of this dialogue? No, yes. Speaker of this dialogue is Ajmal. See, I can show you the slide as well. Uh, I enjoyed shopping, said Ajmal entering the house. Next Sunday we shall go again. This was all said by Ajmal. Okay, the speaker was Ajmal. Okay, who was the listener? Yes, Mother and Najma were the listener of this dialogue. And where will they go again? Yes, they will go for the shopping again next week. अच्छा, now मैं आपको क्लास में भी बता चुकी हूँ कि after every 2 lessons or 3 lessons we have few idioms given in your book and you are supposed to learn the meanings and sentences of these idioms. Okay, to have the lion's share. If I tell you in the meaning in English, it means to take the biggest share of समथिंग, यानी कि किसी भी चीज का एक बड़ा हिस्सा ले लेना, अपने कब्जे में कर लेना, काबू में कर लेना मीन्स idiom to have the lion's share, to take the biggest share of something. Okay, to save something for the rainy days. सबसे पहले तो आप अपने आप को ये बात समझा दें कि रेनी डेज का मतलब ये है द डिफिकल्ट डेज. रेनी डेज की अगर हम इडियोमैटिक स्ट्रक्चर में बात करेंगे, अगर हम मुहावरतन बात करेंगे, तो रेनी डेज का मतलब ये है द डिफिकल्ट टफ टाइम, द टफ फेज. इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि बरसात के दिन या बारिश के दिन. नो, रेनी डेज मीन्स द टफ टाइम, द डिफिकल्ट टाइम. टू सेव समथिंग फॉर द रेनी डेज मीन्स to keep for some future necessity which may arise, future necessity which may arise. इसका मतलब ये है कि to save something for the rainy days का मतलब ये है कि आप अपने पास कुछ बचा के रख ले मुश्किल घड़ी के लिए या मुश्किल औकात के लिए. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे यहाँ जब ये लॉकडाउन हुआ था कोरोना की वजह से, तो मार्केट्स में एकदम कितना रश बन गया था, क्योंकि पीपल वर मेकिंग स्टॉक ऑफ डिफरेंट आइटम्स, दे वर सेविंग डिफरेंट आइटम्स फॉर द रेनी डेज कि कहीं मुश्किल घड़ी में उनके पास किसी चीज की कमी ना हो जाए. So these kinds of situations are known as rainy days. Okay. Next is to cry over spilt milk means to grieve over something uselessly. यानी कि वो है क्या है, उसको उर्दू में कहते हैं कि अब रोने से क्या फायदा, यानी कि जो होना था वो तो हो गया है, अब उस पर रोने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. इट मीन्स to cry over spilt milk means to grieve over something uselessly. बेकार है किसी नुकसान पर रोना, जो नुकसान होना था वो तो हो गया, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And it's high time means the moment has already come. High time का मतलब ये the actual time, the perfect time. जैसे अगर मैं आप लोगों के लिए, हाँ हरीम यू आर राइट, बट मैं एक बात बताऊं कि ये हर इंसान की नेचर नहीं होती. बहुत से लोग केयरलेस भी होते हैं. दे आर नॉट द मनी सेवर्स, वो नहीं बचा के रखते आने वाले वक्तों के लिए मनी. तो आप ये नहीं कह सकती कि इट्स अ नेचर ऑफ मैन. एवरीबडी डिफर्स फ्रॉम वन एंड अदर इन नेचर. ठीक है, अच्छा. हाई टाइम मीन्स द एक्चुअल टाइम, द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, द परफेक्ट टाइम. जैसे मैं आपके लिए अगर ये सेंटेंस बनाऊं कि इट्स द हाई टाइम फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू बी सीरियस इन देयर स्टडीज. यस यस हरीम यू आर राइट. ठीक है, अच्छा अगर मैं यही आपके लिए सेंटेंस बनाऊं कि इट्स द हाई टाइम फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू बी सीरियस इन देयर स्टडीज. आफ्टर 6 months के गैप के बाद जब आप स्कूल आ रहे हैं, तो दिस इज द एक्चुअल टाइम, दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम टू बी सीरियस इन योर स्टडी. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द हाई टाइम. Okay, so I hope today's lecture is clear to all of you. Time is over. Till my next lecture, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.